You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 3. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 2.